Take a walk through the tree line, eating on with Father Time.
You're pretty though. Lighter. This is our first time here. It won't be our last.
I'm a sucker for some harmony.